a construction worker needs to move 120 cubic feet of dirt by using a wheelbarrow. Now, the wheelbarrow, we know, actually has one holding 8 cubic feet of dirt. So one load is like 8 cubic feet of dirt. So I suppose these are the matches there. And each load, we know, takes him 10 minutes to complete. So one load would be like 10 minutes. Well, choice B doesn't have a load matched with the 10 minutes, so that's eliminating choice B. Now, we also know what, 1 hour is. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So it just remains to figure out which one is actually correct versus those who aren't. So looking at choice A, we know that feet cubed would get rid of feet cubed. And then we would have a minute squared. I don't know if we want a minute squared. We would have load, get rid of load. And we would also have hour. So the units here would be minutes squared per hour. And that is not exactly what we want. We want the number of hours, not minutes squared per hour. Thus eliminating choice A. For choice C, what we find is we would have feet cubed times feet cubed, and there's no way to cancel out that feet cubed on the bottom, so what we're going to want to do is get rid of choice C. However, for choice D, what we have is the feet cubed gets rid of the feet cubed on the bottom. We have the load getting rid of the load. We have minutes getting rid of minutes. And so what we have after all these multiplications is the unit of hour. That's exactly what we're trying to find, is the number of hours, making choice D indeed correct. Now for Rowan, this one, a nice little graph is helpful. So Rowan has $50 in savings. Wow, that's a lot, 50. And it's actually going to increase by $5 every week. So you wait 1 week and you go up by 5. And then you wait 1 week and you go up by 5. And you get this nice little line. Now Jonah, on the other hand, only starts out with a measly $10. That's not super great. However, he puts $15 in every week. So waiting 1 week, instead of only going up by 5, we now go up by 15. Hey, that's not too bad. And then we wait another week and we go up by another 15. Whoa, that's super cool. So when we draw that line, it's going to be much steeper because every week we wait, we go up higher. So we go up by 15 instead of 5. So considering choice A, Rowan's graph is not steeper, so that's incorrect. For part B, would Rowan's graph always lie above Jonah's? Well, no, because this one is a little bit steep, and even though the blue one is way below it, it is so steep it's going to catch up eventually. So they will eventually cross. So it won't be choice B. How about choice D? Jonah's graph always lies above Rowan's. Definitely not. It starts out way low, and Rowan's is way above it. So that's going to leave choice C, which is indeed correct. Jonah's graph does have a steeper slope than Rowan's. That's it.